I'm James Betts. I'm Professor of Metabolic Physiology at the University of Bath, where I'm co-director of our Centre for Nutrition, Exercise and Metabolism, and was very happy to learn that a paper I co-authored has been selected as editor's pick for the July 2025 issue of Experimental Physiology. Specifically, this was an article entitled Physiological Rhythms and Metabolic Regulation, Shining Light on Skeletal Muscle, which I had the pleasure of co-authoring with Dr. Kelly Bowden-Davies from Manchester Metropolitan University, Dr. Harry Smith from my own research group, and Professor John Hawley, who directs the Mary MacKillop Institute for Health Research at ACU in Melbourne. We were prompted to write this review following our combined contributions to a Physiological Society symposium in Manchester last year, and in the review we really wanted to provide an overall summary of research in relation to what we defined as physiological rhythms. We drew upon a wide range of literature, but particularly focused on work from our respective laboratories on sequential meal feeding, intermittent fasting, breakfast skipping, and of course time-restricted eating. Consistent with our title, we wanted to focus on skeletal muscle as a key link between these rhythms in our physiology and metabolic health, really on the basis that skeletal muscle is the primary site of disposal for our ingested nutrients, but also is really the sole organ responsible for exerting forces on the world and our cycles between activity and rest on a daily basis. So in that context, we also focused on some recent studies we've been working on together, looking at taking skeletal muscle samples around the clock, along with enteral feeding so that nutrients can be provided continuously, even during sleep, and using multiple stable isotope tracers so that we can start to understand 24-hour patterns of carbohydrate and protein metabolism within the context of different feeding and activity patterns. So again, it's a real pleasure to publish again in Experimental Physiology, and especially here to have been selected as the paper of the month.